A Stevens traceability system is an end-to-end paperless traceability system covering every aspect of your business, from goods in to dispatch and waste management. The system is also modular, meaning you can start small and add to your system over time. The Stevens stock module can handle your day-to-day warehouse management activities. Key features include quality attribute questions, unique lot traceability, specification images, certificate of conformance verification, location control, and purchase order traceability. Cut the amount of time it takes to form full stock takes with a Stevens system. Accurate weighing of your ingredients is vital to create consistent products, to reduce giveaway and save on scrapped batches, remove added paperwork from the shop floor, and reduce raw material usage through tolerance weighing. Management can stipulate tolerance controls, food safety questions, health and safety questions, allergen warnings, and more, resulting in strict recipe flow and full traceability. At collation, the Stevens system allows you to mix pre-weighed ingredients from different locations within production. For example, you can bring together your wet, dry, and allergen mixes, accurately recording and checking correct batches are used. You can also confirm each container that is being added to the mixer and dictate which orders containers need to be collated. The Stevens finished product modules include job, packaging, portion control, and more. All these allow backward scheduling of mixes by entering how many finished products are required, saving production planning hours of time. Just some of the benefits include line downtime recording, quality checks, stock consumption, full mass balance, dynamic alerting, and complete traceability. When dispatching products from your business, you need management tools you can rely on. Stevens Dispatch gives you the control you need with features such as picking, allocation, pallet manager, finished goods labels, and delivery records, all with real-time information on usages and full backwards and forward traceability reports. Waste is an important part of every business and needs to be managed efficiently. Stevens Waste module gathers data about your waste, allowing you to record line and product information. The Stevens system also gives you access to a full suite of reports, providing you with the information you need to reduce waste and save you money. If you already have an ERP system on site, the Stevens Integration Service helps you integrate your current ERP system into the Stevens system, which allows you to send and receive commodity, recipe and stock data, purchase orders and location information, along with inventory information from and to your current ERP system, providing you with consistent and accurate data throughout the process. Stevens provides traceability solutions to customers across the UK, and we've helped them improve their processes and get a great return on investment. To find out more, get in touch with one of our traceability experts.